Hey guys, welcome back to another quick assist video. Please consider liking and subbing if this video helps. Now, today we're going to be speaking about the trackpad not working with your two-finger scroll. So if you're going up and down and it's not working like this, then what you're going to want to do is first go to System Settings on top. Then we're going to go Open System Settings, the second one. Then we're going to scroll down to Trackpad right here. And we're going to want to go to the second one, Scroll and Zoom. You're going to want to go ahead and turn it off, and then check it out and see if it works or not. If that does not work, then you're gonna want to try to restart your Mac. So then go ahead and go in the Apple, and then go down, and then go to restart right here. Restart it. If that doesn't work, then make sure that there's no dirt or moisture on the trackpad. So we're gonna want to use a good wipe, like one of these, and we're gonna want to nicely wipe it down. And if that doesn't work, then we're going to want to try one more thing, is try to go to another user account and rule out that's a software issue. If scrolling still doesn't work, your trackpad may need service. So that's it, guys. Try these 4 things, and then hopefully your scrolling up and down does work. So I have videos about like natural scroll, or like if it feels awkward, check those out. But please like or subscribe. See you next time. Bye-bye.